Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Demolition hammer, the model PAH 1300C3 from Parkside with 1300 watts power, impact strength 15 joules, impact rate 3600 IPM, chuck with quick release receptor as per the STS Max system. Accessories included with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. It is a little bit heavy. Oh. Oh, what a low quality case is that. Okay. It doesn't even close properly. Oh my god. Quality control. Parkside, you need to see the quality control. The manuals. The weight, it is 5.8 kilograms. Included we have one pointed chisel and one flat. Thick, both, very thick. And of course we have in this grease, 50 grams. And with a cable length 3 meters, very convenient. Auxiliary handle. And with a knob you can adjust, and of course you can rotate 360 degrees, no worries about that. Adjust at the position you want and then tied it with this huge knob. We have soft elements here, I like it, soft elements in here. X1300 hammer, 103 decibel. The trigger with a lock, it can work continuously. This is not a shock absorber, it's just a design. Here we have the motor, the adjustment collar, locking collar, the dust cap here, you can remove that if you want and clean it, and of course inside we have the chisel holder. Take a look, and it is very easy to install the pointed or the flat. Just pull and that was all, so easy. Very robust and heavy, as I mentioned, 5.8 kilogram. Let's plug it in just to see how it works before starting the demolition. Wow, very noisy. Definitely only for outdoors use, and if you're going to use this indoors, seals for your ears and for your eyes obviously. So let's move on for testing. What stands out most is the impact power, the solid construction, and the way it helps make heavy demolition tasks more manageable. If you have a concrete patio to break up, brick walls to take down, or a mountain of old floor tiles to strip, renting a commercial breaker for a single weekend can easily cost more than buying this machine outright. It delivers incredible, bone-shattering power for a fraction of the cost of premium trade brands. Only €70 for any serious DIYer facing a major tear-down project. Having this beast waiting in your workshop garage is an absolute no-brainer. If this video helped you decide whether this tool is right for your next project, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more Parkside tool reviews, renovation projects and workshop content. Thanks for watching, work safely, build with confidence and I'll see you in the next one.